Welcome, welcome, welcome. Bam, it's Robert the Funnel Man. I hope everything's going okay for you today. I tell you what we're going to take a look at. It's super exciting, and we're going to take a look at courses. And guess what? It is so easy to create courses now in ClickFunnels 2.0 than it was 6 months ago, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at this. Get excited, get pumped up, and let's rock and roll, okay? So let me share my screen, and we will get right to it here. Okay, so you can see my screen. This is my ClickFunnels. And what we're going to do is, you're going to open up your ClickFunnels and you're going to come down all the way to, let me look for it here. Hang on just a second. I know it's in here. What we're going to do is we're going to come down through here and we're going right here. Okay, if you can see right there, you can see right there. It says create course. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. Okay, and let's name, first you got some choices here, okay? So we've got a blank course, we've got a basic course, and we have nested course. Let's start with this one right here because really blank, if you do blank, it's just a lot more work. So let's start here with this one, okay? And let's go ahead and choose that one, all right? So we chose the basic, so we're gonna hit on next step. And let's just call this Zoom example, okay? And obviously you can put a description in there. I'm just trying to show you how to do this the simplest way. So then you're going to hit next, okay? And now you're going to choose what theme, and if you've already got a theme loaded up, you're good to go. If you don't, you just go ahead and load up, you'll select your theme, okay? But I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. So it's processing, it's creating. Okay, now, you can either make this course free or you can sell it. Okay, so on this example, let's just do a free course. We'll make it free. Okay, now, Zoom example. Here we are into the place where you can start doing some things. Okay, so right here, it says 3 modules and 9 lessons. So if we click right here where it says expand, you can notice it expands everything that you need to expand, which is very cool. So you can collapse it, or, whenever you're working on it, all you have to do is just come up here to expand, and then you have everything expanded, okay? So let's go right here. It says M1 Lesson 1. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here, you're going to click M1 Lesson 1. Okay, M1 Lesson 1. Let's just give it a title. Let's say Zoom intro. Okay, let's just do that. Let's just say Zoom intro. So now, if you look here, the parent module is module 1. That's correct. So we're going to go right here and we're going to add new section. Okay, we're going to make it full page. We're going to make it 1 column, and we're going to make it headline. Pretty simple, right? So then you're going to click on this, okay, and let's call it, okay, let's just call it that for good, okay? Now, what I like to do once I do that is I like to go in here and bring it down a little bit, So what I'll do is I'll go right down here to override right here, okay? And what I want to do is I want to change this font size. I don't want to use Rim, I want to use Pix. Okay, so, and 55 to me is a little big, so I'm just going to put 45 in there. Okay, and it brought it down some, so that's good. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to add an element. Okay, we got to have the video, right? So we'll add an element, and if you look right here, you'll see video. Okay, pretty simple stuff, right? Okay, now, once you do that, I like my stuff to be, really close to what I'm working on. So I don't like a whole lot of gaps and everything. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoot this up to at least about 5. Okay, so now it doesn't have such a huge gap. So now if you'll hang on 1 second, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to grab a video to put in there. Okay, so let's go here and let's grab a video right quick. Okay, let's go right here to digital products. Let's go right here. Okay, and let's go right here. Let's go to, okay, so now I have this. Okay, let me grab the link right quick. So I grabbed the link. Okay, now I'm going to go back. Okay, going to go back to where I was, okay, go back to where I was right here, okay, and then we're going to come here and we're going to go right here and we're going to put the link right here that we had, okay, Command V or whatever you're using there, okay, then come back out of here, and you're going to save and reload, Okay. And now what we can do, we've got our video loaded up. We've got the headline in here. We've got all this stuff. And if you want to, you have advanced settings. If you click on that, if you would like to do different things, you've got some advanced settings. Okay. You've got media here. Okay. If you want to put a thumbnail on there where you upload all your videos right here, you can also include some audio over here somewhere. Okay. Maybe below it, or maybe you can do a video on one of them and then come back and do audio on the next one. Just really, really cool stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to close here, okay? And now, in order to be able to see it and look at it, okay, you see it, it's doing its thing. So now let's go ahead and preview what we've got so far. Okay, we're going to go to live, okay? We're going to come out of this, okay? I hope you noticed that, okay? Nothing happened right there. And the reason for that is you have to have things in the publish mode. So let's put publish right here, okay? Update, publish now, update module, okay? And then that's, we updated we published the module. Now we need to publish, okay? Lesson 1, publish, okay? So now let's give that a shot, okay? Now we'll come over here to preview. And now you notice, let's go live up here, okay? Give it just a second. Let me come out of here just a second. Let me come up here. Sometimes it takes a little time. But let's just go right here to lesson 1. Okay, it's loading. Okay, close. Okay, there's lesson 1 right there. It says published. Let's go here to module 1. Okay, let's collapse. There's collapse. Then let's expand. Let's give it a little bit of time. Okay. And now once we have that, you have to go up here and make this published as well. Okay. And it says available at, you don't even have to worry about that, but it says include draft. No, I don't want to include draft. Just update course. Okay. Once you update the course, then let's hit preview. Let's go over here to go live. Okay. And then we see right here, okay, module 1, bam. Okay, here is your first module 1. Right here is your Zoom intro is what we named it. Okay, and you're in module 1. You come over here, Zoom intro. And here is your first video. Plus we have breadcrumbs up here. Pretty cool, isn't it? Okay, we can go back to module 1. Okay, and then we can come over here, click the Zoom intro, play the Zoom intro. Okay, I'll tell you what, it's super, super cool. Hang on one second and let me get back here to where I was. Okay, very cool. So I hope you like that. Was that simple? Okay, and then what you do is you just repeat exactly what I did. However many modules you want, however many lessons you want, and you can design it many different ways. You don't have to have blue buttons, okay? Let me come back over here. You can change the buttons, to red, green, yellow, whatever color you want. You can also change fonts. You can also, right here, you can change colors here. You can also change colors here on your actual lessons, okay? There are just so many different things that you can actually do, using the ClickFunnels 2.0. I tell you what, I love it, and it is so much easier than what it used to be, believe me, okay? But I tell you what, I'm gonna have a few things in the description down here. Please check out my portfolio. I got a lot of information that I'm going to be sharing about the last 20 years of my venture. I've been building funnels for around 8 or 9 years now, and I love what I do. And what I want to do is down in the description, if you're not familiar with ClickFunnels, take it out on a road test, okay? There's going to be a link down in the description, and it'll be for the ClickFunnels 2.0 software. Go ahead and click on that, get started, take it for a test drive. If you don't like it, cancel, okay? But I guarantee you, I run my entire business with ClickFunnels 2.0, okay? Don't need anything else. And when you're sitting in a gorgeous place like this right here, and you got beautiful weather, you're comfortable, everything's going well, it just doesn't get any better than this. Also, I have an announcement. I'm going to be building a funnel builder membership site, and it's going to be free. Down in the description, there's going to be an early bird link, okay? And what it is it's a link that you can click on, and I'm still working on the membership site right now, but I'll be going live soon. And if you want to be one of the first to hear about this, okay, and understand how funnel building, sales funnels, marketing funnels, funnel hubs, lead generation funnels, a cart funnel, ClickFunnels, BookFunnels. If you want to learn that stuff, then just check it out. There'll be an early bird link in the bottom here, and click on that, and you'll be the first to know as soon as I get this thing cranking up, okay? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I tell you what, it's just going to be awesome, awesome, awesome. Please take a look at my portfolio. It's also down in the description, thefunnelman.com. Make sure you check that out. And also, just for watching this, I'm going to give you my AI guide. It's going to be a free AI guide. You know, AI is everywhere now. It didn't take long. Bam, it was there, okay? But I'm going to give you my free AI guide that I've created for my prospective clients and my clients in the past, okay? I actually created this guide from scratch, and I want you to have it for free, okay? So down in the description, make sure that you go ahead and get that free AI guide. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share, okay? I'll see you on the next one. It's been awesome, and I hope you got something out of this. Thanks a lot. See you later. The Funnel Man.